Ever dream of finally paying off that mountain of student loans, or maybe sending a big chunk of change to help family overseas? Let's face it, moving large sums of money can be stressful. Banks have hoops to jump through, and online services can be confusing. But what if there was a way to send a big wad of cash quickly and securely? Well, fret no more. Today we're diving into Qonto, a challenger bank specifically designed for freelancers and small businesses. They offer a streamlined online experience for managing your finances, including sending and receiving payments. But can Qonto handle those big-ticket transfers? Transaction limits and verification? Absolutely. Qonto allows you to send significant amounts, but there are some limits to keep in mind. These vary depending on your account type and verification level. For instance, a basic account might have a lower daily limit than a premium plan. The good news? Qonto makes it easy to increase your limits by verifying your identity with additional documents. This typically involves uploading proof of address and identification. Once verified, you'll unlock a higher sending capacity. Exploring sending options. Now, how exactly do you send a large amount with Qonto? The process is pretty straightforward. You'll log into your online dashboard, navigate to the transfers section, and then choose your recipient. Qonto allows transfers to other bank accounts, both domestic and international. Here's a heads up, international transfers might take a bit longer to process, so factor that into your planning. Fees and costs. Of course, with any financial service, fees are a concern. Qonto offers transparent pricing with no hidden costs. For basic domestic transfers, there are usually no fees. However, international transfers and exceeding sending limits might incur charges. The best way to stay informed is to check Qonto's current fee structure directly on their website. They clearly outline all costs associated with different account types and transactions. Security and peace of mind. Security is paramount when dealing with large sums. Qonto takes pride in its robust security measures. They employ multi-factor authentication and industry-standard encryption to keep your money safe. Plus, Qonto is a regulated financial institution, which adds another layer of peace of mind. Alternatives and conclusion. While Qonto shines for its user-friendly interface and efficient system, it's always good to explore other options. There are several online money transfer services that cater to sending large amounts. Do your research, compare fees, and choose the platform that best suits your needs. Call to action. Remember, sending large sums requires a responsible approach. Make sure you understand the recipient, the purpose of the transfer, and any potential fees involved. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and manage your finances with confidence.